Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to the session. I am your friend and guide Subodha. So in my previous videos, already I have explained you about the pair of linear equations in two variables. That time already I have explained you about the graphical representation, how to find the solution graphically or geometrically. Also I have told you about the consistency and inconsistency of the pair of linear equations, which are consistent and which are inconsistent. Then also already I have explained you about the method of substitution, the algebraic method, how to find out x and y in the method of substitutions. So today we will discuss about a new method that is also the algebraic method of elimination, So why it is called elimination? Now I think most of you love seeing cricket, IPL matches. Sometimes you see in matches last part 4 teams are there. One team is eliminated. Eliminated means removed. So here the word elimination is there because one of our variable will be removed and one variable will be there which will make our equation a linear equation of one variable. So why we'll read about elimination? We know substitution. Then why we'll read about elimination? Because it is more convenient method sometimes than substitution. So let us know about this method in details, elimination. Now we'll take one example. Let us see. X plus y is equal to 9 and x minus y is equal to 5. So a pair of equations. So any one variable I will eliminate. You can eliminate any variable of your convenience, of your choice. So here I want to remove y. It is my choice. I want to eliminate y. You may say you want to eliminate x. That is your choice. So now let's see what are the coefficient of the variable which is to be eliminated. So coefficient of variable is here 1 without sign. So now here I'll write if the coefficients are same, then we have nothing to multiply. Directly we'll write the equation and go for addition and subtraction. So sometimes, this method is also called as addition subtraction method, as we are performing addition or subtraction. Then when addition, when subtraction depend on the sign of the variables you want to eliminate. So here I want to eliminate y. My equations are x plus y is equal to 9. Equation 1. Now x minus y is equal to 5. Equation 2. Here I want to eliminate y. So here sign of y in the first equation is plus. Sign of y in the second equation is minus. So if signs are opposite of each other, then we'll add. If signs are same, then we'll subtract. I will detail explain after this, giving another example also. So now we'll add equation 1 and equation 2. So what we'll get? That implies 2x. Y cancel. 2x is equal to 14. Now x is equal to 14 by 2. That implies x is equal to 7. Now we got the value of x is 7. Now we want to find out the value of y. So putting the value of x, putting the value of x in any equation, in equation 1, we will get, what we will get? So your x is 7 plus y is equal to 9. That implies y is equal to 9 minus 7. That implies y is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 2 is the required solution of this given pair of linear equation in two variables. Now take another example. So let's say 4x plus 3y is equal to 29 and 5x plus 4y is equal to 37. So this is equation 1, this is the equation 2. So now I will solve this given pair of linear equations in two variables by the method of elimination. Then what are the steps I have to follow? Now first step 1. Step 1. You choose the variable you want to eliminate. Choose the variable you want to eliminate. Let's say let y. I have taken y. Now see. Number 2, step 2. Whether the coefficients of the variables which is to be eliminated are same or different. So check whether the coefficient of variable which is to be eliminated are same or different. So if they are same or different, if same, then we have nothing to multiply. If they are different, then if they are different, point 3. Let's see point 3. If the coefficient are different, multiply it with a suitable non-zero constant. Multiply with a suitable non-zero constant. So now, our case, we want to eliminate y. We have 3y and 4y. 3 and 4, the coefficients are not same. Then we will make it same. How will we make it same? So now, that is the trick. We are writing multiply it with a suitable non-zero constant. How to find out that suitable non-zero constant? How to find out that suitable non-zero constant? How to find out? There is a question. So, point 4. To find out the suitable non-zero constant, take LCM of the coefficients. Now here LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 12. Here in my case the equations I have taken LCM of 3 and 4, 12. Now after getting the LCM, what I will do? So now let's say step 5. LCM divide the coefficient of first equation. Coefficient of the variable of first equation which is to be eliminated. So now here 12 divide 3 is equal to 4. 12 divided 3 is equal to 4. So in equation 1 we will multiply 4, that non-zero constant, non-zero constant, multiply it with a suitable non-zero constant. That non-zero constant is 4 for equation 1. So now 6. Same thing, LCM, divide the coefficient of the variable of second equation which is to be eliminated. So here 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So this 3 is the what? Suitable non-zero constant to be multiplied in equation 2 to make the coefficient of the equation 1 and equation 2 same of the variable which is to be eliminated. Now step 7. So multiply the non-zero constant in each equation. So multiply the non-zero constant in each equation. Non-zero constant obtained for each equation. In each equation to get its equivalent equation. So now we got equivalent equation. Then after, what we will do? Now proceed for addition or subtraction. Proceed for addition or subtraction. So when addition and when subtraction, if the sign of both the equation, if the sign of both the coefficients are same, then go for subtraction. If different, opposite. If different means if opposite, go for addition. If plus and minus, then what will do? Add. If plus and plus, minus and minus, then here minus and plus also we can write. For this case we can go for addition. Plus plus, minus minus, we go for subtraction. Here in our case 3y 4y both are plus. So what we will go for? Plus. See, plus. So we will go for subtraction. So now after subtraction or addition, what we will get? After subtraction or addition. So now point 10. After subtraction or addition, we will get either what? A linear equation of one variable, or with double I we may get a true statement, or in with triple I, these are the cases, we may get a false statement. So here if you are getting linear equation in one variable, we will proceed. We will proceed for the solving of the equation. If we are getting here what? Two statement, we will not proceed for the equation to solve. Or we are getting a false statement, also we will not proceed for the equation to solve. Only will proceed when we get a linear equation in one variable to find the solution, or we can say to find the value of x and y or the given variables. Now we will solve this one by one. I will tell when I will solve along with the steps. Now we will going to solve this equation, but before it I will suggest one thing. Keep reading and keep trying, because in Hindi we already know कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. So keep trying, definitely success will come to you. Now come to solve this equation. So now here y will be eliminated, already I have told you. So already factors obtained. What? 4 for the first equation and 3 for the second equation. Already I have obtained it. So now equation 1 into 4, that what we will get? 16x plus 12y is equal to, into 4, 6 take 3, 816. Now equation 2 into 3, that implies 15x plus 12y, 721, 1, 2, 9, 111, equation 4. So equation 3 is the equivalent equation of equation 1 and equation 4 is the equivalent equation of equation 2. Now same sign, subtract. So equation 1 minus equation 2. So minus. This is y cancelled here. That implies x is equal to your 5. So x is equal to 5 already obtained. Putting the value of x, in equation 1, we will get. So you may also put in equation 2. Any equation as per your choice you can put it. So what we will get? So x is 5. So 4 into 5 plus 3y is equal to 29. That implies 3y is equal to 29 minus 20. That implies y is equal to 9 by 3. That implies y is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. This is the required solution for the given pair of linear equation in two variables. Now we'll take another example. Let us see 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Equation 1. Now 4x plus 6y is equal to 26. Equation 2. So here, which variable you want to eliminate? Any of the variable, x or y, as per your choice. So let's x. So here 2x, here 4x. So to make 2x to 4x, I have to multiply 2 in equation 1, because the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So I have to multiply 2 in equation 1 to make it equal with 4x. So now equation 1 into 2, that implies your 4x plus 6y is equal to 26. So which is same as equation 2. Now equation 2 into 1, that is your same equation, is equal to 26. Okay. Now, if you add or subtract, I will subtract equation. Now this is your 3. This is your equation 2. Now equation 3 minus equation 2. What we will get here? Minus 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 0 is equal to 0 we are getting. Here cancel, cancel, cancel. So 0 is equal to 0, which is a true statement. 0 is equal to 0. True statement. True statement. So true statement means consistent. Consistent, and it has infinitely many solutions. Many solutions. So this is consistent, infinitely many solutions. Let's take another example. Let us see 3x plus 4y is equal to 24. Now I will take 6x plus 8y is equal to 40. This is my equation 1. This is my equation 2. Now any variable I want to eliminate, any one of the variable I want to eliminate. Let's say x or y. So what we will get here? Let's say y. So 4y, 8y. We will multiply 2 in equation 1. I will get 8y. So equation 1 into 2, that implies your 6x plus 8y is equal to 48. This is equation 3. Now equation 2 into 1, that is equal to your 6x plus 8y is equal to 40. Equation 2. Now equation 3 minus equation 2, what will get? Minus, same. Minus, minus, minus. So cancel, cancel. We are getting 0 is equal to 8. 0 is equal to 8. A false statement. A false statement. False statement. So inconsistent. Inconsistent. It has no common. So I think you can do it. Keep trying doing, because everything is possible. If you will practice more and more, you can do everything, because nothing is impossible, because impossible itself tells that I am possible. So thank you for watching my videos till now. If you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it, share it, and give your valuable comments so that you will get more conceptual videos, more conceptual clarity in the next upcoming videos. Thank you.